was a long time ago, longer now than it seems, in a place that perhaps you've seen in your dreams. For the story that you were about to be told began in the holiday worlds of old. I know you're curious to see what's inside. It's what happens when two holidays collide. Our holiday tale is a tale that's quite charming, but during this season, it's sometimes alarming. So relax and reflect. Feel free to take pause while we tell you a tale about dear Sandy Claus. Was the nightmare before Christmas all through the house? Not a creature was peaceful, not even a mouse. The stockings, all hung by the chimney with care, when opened that morning would cause such a scare. The children nestled all snug in their beds would have nightmares, monsters, and skeleton heads. Jack Skellington came here from Halloween Town. You'll notice his handiwork scattered around. This year he's decided to play Sandy Claus. But when Halloween creates Christmas, you might see a few flaws. And now, a dark carriage will take you away. Sit back, rest in peace in your black Christmas sleigh. Your sleigh will accommodate one or two more. Hope you're prepared for Jack in store. Don't pull down the bar. It will float down with ease. And keep a close watch on all children, please. Todos sus manos, piernas, pies adentro. More rabid than vultures, the mansion was changed. All was soon covered, adorned, and deranged. And what to your wondering eyes disappears is Jack's little friend Zero, the ghost dog reindeer. Nothing here was forgotten. It all looked so pleasant. A coffin, Jack says, makes a fine Christmas present. A vanity glass makes a wonderful ring, as long as you don't get caught in its teeth. Jack's holiday visit was unlike no other. So ring out the bells, there's more tears to uncover.
Yet to be on the 50th Christmas, my good love gave to me 5 lucky charms to understand the right from wrong. 4 wheels of fortune to spin their rich and golden song. 3 lifelines extending help to those in need. 2 passion potions that love and romance may succeed.
With some treats and some games, you can make a scene merry. Why, even a gingerbread house could seem scary. All at once, happy hearts did strange and bizarre, and on the attack. Santa Claus worked his magic outside
I like this Christmas thing. I told you they would like my Christmas. Fruitcake, anyone? What's this? What's this?
Special holiday fluffy. Hang on to your holiday.
Please hurry back. We can't wait till next year. I heard him exclaim as he drove out of sight.
This world will not forget my Christmas night.
Hurry back. Hurry back. Be sure to bring your Santa Claus sack. I'll be waiting for you.